If you've been logged out of your Venmo account and need to reset your login credentials, follow these steps to regain access. This guide will help you through the process of resetting your password and recovering your account. Step 1. Open the Venmo app. Launch the Venmo app on your mobile device. If you don't have the app, download it from the App Store or Google Play Store. Step 2. Tap on Forgot Password. On the login screen, look for the Forgot Password link. Tap on it to initiate the password reset process. Step 3. Enter your email or phone number. Provide the email address or phone number associated with your Venmo account. This information will be used to send you a password reset link or code. Step 4. Check your email or SMS. Look for an email or SMS from Venmo containing a password reset link or verification code. Follow the instructions provided in the message to proceed. Step 5. Create a new password. Once you access the reset link or enter the verification code, you will be prompted to create a new password. Choose a strong password that you haven't used before and confirm it. After completing these steps, you should be able to log back into your Venmo account with your new credentials. If you continue to experience issues, consider reaching out to Venmo's customer support for further assistance.